Balling on a budget production.
We're the last of the cowboys, giddy up gone boys. 18 wheels on the concrete, it's a slow and dying breed. Rolling like Jesse James, a modern day outlaw gang. If you're out here riding with me, come on back and make some noise. We're the last of the cowboys. It's a family tradition, diesel's running through our veins. Our daddy showed us the ropes, we were born in the fast lane. Branded by our heroes, taught to saddle up and move. We keep this country rolling, we're damn proud of what we do. We're the last of the cowboys, the giddy up gone boys. 18 wheels on the concrete, it's a slow and dying breed. Rolling like Jesse.
Alright guys, what's up? Here we are again. There's my brother. Hi. We just got here. We did a load of tile this morning. My brother is currently changing some mirror brackets on my dad's truck. So I'll go ahead and show you that in a minute. So yeah, I just want to show you this right quick. Hold on. Can't really see. Eating some tacos.
Don't feel that grease.
Oh yeah. Tacos.
There you go.
So we're just gonna eat right quick. We're gonna show you what they've done so far and go from there. So see you in a little bit. Alright guys, just got done eating. Both did. They're currently drilling holes into the cab because sorry, focusing. Anyways, yeah. They went ahead and knocked down the mirrors. I'm gonna head to show you that right now. Drilling holes to mock up the new ones. And yeah, check it out. Alright. It's currently a mess right now. It's in the middle of surgery. They did this yesterday. They took off the top of the breathers and they chopped them. Which right here. They were like massive as fuck, and they cut them, shortened them to get clearance for the mirror bracket. I can't even see him, too short. Should be like around here somewhere though. Anyways, yeah. The mirror used to be on the doors. As you can see, the holes here and the hose on top. Making hose. There's the old mirror bracket. And let me see if I can get them. Where's the new ones? Oh, there it is. This is the new one.
You tell about yours?
Clean and simple. Nope. It's like that. So you can't see it, but let me put it back down. One big ass shiny tube compared to that ugly thing over there. Alright, here we are. My brother drilled out the hose. He's putting a little, what are those called?
Well, I don't know.
Whatever the hell those are, the little rivets that go inside that hold the bolt so you don't have to hold it from the inside. I don't know what the fuck it is. Either way.
Nah.
Come on, focus. Either way, these little things. I don't know what they're called, but I know how to use them. I know. That's all I know. But putting those into the truck. You got the four here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 that go up there. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that should be it. We can mount up the bracket and go from there. Just for the record, guys, he wasn't hitting the cab. He was hitting, oh shit. He was hitting the little, where's my finger? There it is. He was hitting those. It looked like he was banging the cab, but he wasn't. He was just hammering the little, whatever the hell they're called in. Just an FYI.
And I want to clean this up before I ya lo pongo, right?
Yep, it's not gonna be in the way.
Because when I paint it, I just tape it up. Right?
Yep. Alright, here we go. Brother mocked up the mirror. And that's pretty much what it's gonna be. way more cleaner than before. Obviously, we gotta clean up all that where the old mirror used to be, all the old brackets and whatnot. But we're gonna go ahead and clean that out, paint them, and it should be good. Cool. All right, quick update with the mirror brackets. My brother went ahead and bolted them up. Done and done. Went ahead and mounted the brackets that hold the mirror up. Tighten them up. Gonna get them adjusted. Add the little bottom mirror, and we should be good to go. Bad as fuck. All right, there you go. Thought I was recording, but I wasn't. Finished up the brackets. Tightened all the mirrors up, adjusted them, got the antenna up and mounted. They added that third bracket right there, or the second bracket. There we go, everything's tightened up. This driver's side is ready to go. Obviously, we got to clean up all that. Alright guys, go ahead and show you on the inside how it looks. I still have to put the breather cap back on and hide those wires there. It's being custom right now. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. It's kind of a mess inside right now because we have it apart for all the wires that are running to the mirror. Either way, nonetheless, that's what the interior would look like if it was all together. Oh damn, I didn't even see that. And the door's taken apart too. My older brother, wrapped the dash, the one that was doing the mirrors. Wrap the dash. Wrap the dash. Wrap the dash. But anyways, yeah. Anyways, what I was gonna show you is the mirror bracket. Hope you guys can hear me because that's kind of loud. Pretty cool. One fat ass tube. Alright guys, this is what the mirror looked like. This is the stock mirror. Ugly. It looks like a playground attached to the side of your window. All them damn bars you got going on. That's the old one compared to the new one. The new one more bitchin'. Old one not bitchin'. Alright, this is the final product. All finished up, all tightened up, bolted down. I got the breather on. Where is it? Right there. As you can see, they chopped them. He chopped the grill on them. They chopped them in order to make the brackets fit.
Sup, Brad?
Sup. Cool. Let's get in and see what it looks like. It's still taking apart in here, so don't mind it still. I'm gonna take my hat off right quick. There you go. Bad as fuck. Alright, can you see? Yeah, I think you can see. Alright, just like that. My brother finished. Say hi. Got the brackets all mounted up, finished up. Looking pretty.
Dirty, but
Dirty, but done. There you go. Wow, mosquito. Nice, pretty. We're gonna have to fix all that up another time. I'm gonna show you the other side real quick. It was a pain, but my brother got it. Bitchin'. Doing body work to the doors or whatever. Covering all the holes. How's it going?
almost done, bro. Coming along.
Cool. Finished up the door. You finished painting it, right?
Yeah, I just need to dry.
Looking good. And that's that, guys. Let us know what you guys think of the brackets. Give the video a thumbs up. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see you on the next video.